mind goes blank if I speak in English. Why it happens? Those have this type of... So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So today topic is, if I speak in English, my mind goes blank. Why it happens? If you are speaking first time in English, it happens with all because of hesitation. If we are newly, we feel hesitation. We feel hesitation because we have making mistake problem. If we make mistake, people will think that you are making mistake. So you have to not think about people. You have to not think about people. You have to speak. It doesn't matter you are speaking wrong or right. You have to not feel hesitation. You have to remove your hesitation. If you remove your hesitation, you can speak whenever you are going to anywhere and you are speaking with someone else. So if you are going to speak, you can make conversation with others. If you make conversation with others, you will get ideas that how should you talk, how should you behave with others. You can do yoga. Second point, you can do yoga, exercise. By that your mind goes fresh. Your mind gets fresh if you do yoga or exercise. So you should follow these tips. And you have to, if you can speak in Hindi, you can speak in English also. So it doesn't matter because you are habitual with your native language, because you speak Hindi. If you are speaking first time English, you will feel this type problem. You will face this type problem. It happens with all those are speaking English. So the next point is that you can stand in front of mirror and you can talk with yourself alone. You can share any topic. If you have watched any movies and any cartoons, you can share your views about that. You can share. You can correct yourself if you are speaking wrong or right. And next point is that you can practice with listening. You have to practice with listening. You have to record your voice and you have to listen. What did you speak? Where were you wrong or where were you right? You have to correct that. This tips will help you a lot if you are doing practice. And you can make conversation with other people. You can put any topic. You can discuss. You can share your views. You can ask other views. So by that you will get new ideas. You will get new ideas. You have to not use fancy word. If you use fancy word, it will be difficult for you. You have to use simple words. So you can speak in Hindi first. That this is यह कुर्सी है. So speak in English as well. This is a chair. Like that you can improve and you can speak or practice. Last is practice. Practice make perfect. If you are not doing practice, you are speaking only one day, 2 days, it is not good. If you are speaking regularly, it will help you. So if you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel.